Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're doing a video today on both machines here set up at Machinery Consultants in our Salt Lake City, Utah warehouse. This one happens to be, thanks man. This one happens to be a Model 60 18.5 by 80 inch Monarch heavy pattern tool room lathe, serial number 32951. Steady rest, taper attachment, Loris tool post, Skinner 3-jaw chuck, super killer 12-inch 3-jaw Skinner 3-jaw chuck by the way. Inch threading, inch feeds. The weights are in impeccable condition. Very limited use machine, extremely well maintained. Real great condition. The machine was just released from a research facility. Okay, additionally we have the owner's manuals, full set of books that come with the machine. We also have a follow arrest that comes standard with this machine. Okay, so this machine is currently wired at 240 volts. Okay, tray mount folks. Thank you. Okay, ready to move on to machine number 2, Frank. Now we're also showing off a plethora of tooling. Face plates, 3 jaws, 4 jaws, collet chucks. We're going to have a couple of videos in this section here, so inquire on whatever tooling you might want some information on. It'll be listed under the optional equipment on the quotes for both Monarch Toolroom Lathes. 2 face plates, a 12-inch diameter 6-jaw buck. Okay, just park that light. There you go, perfect. 12-inch D16 4-jaw, 5C collet chuck. We have a pair of Cushman Harding collet chucks. This actually takes a Series 215. You're making me dizzy, bro. This is a 215 Series collet. They're both D16. All of this stuff happens to be D16. A Union D16, 15-inch, heavy pattern 4-jaw steel body chuck. Okay, the Jacobs Rubber Flex. This is a cool one. 8¼ inch 3-jaw. It's a Cushman. 82, 36, D6. Good lighting. That looks good. Okay, and last but not least is an 8¼ inch 3-jaw. It's a Portage, Michigan adjustable 3-jaw chuck. Jacobs 18N. 4 to 3 and a 3. Empty on the shank. Oh, don't forget the 10-inch drive plate. Okay. Okay, let's park the lighting. Okay, what we have here is a 17 by 30 heavy pattern Series 61 tool room lathe. This Monarch is set up to swing 17 over the bed, 10 inches over the cross slide, and a full 35 inches between centers. It has 60 threads, it has 60 feeds, and the RPMs are set up from 19 to 800 RPM with 16 changes. We're currently running at 112 RPM. What do you say? We just run about 3 or 4 speeds? Something like that? Yeah. Okay. I'm ready when you are, Mr. F. Oh, that being said, this also comes with no additional charge in Accurite 3 digital readout. It was working great. We took it off. We decided not to put it back on. And we'll wrap it up real nice and include it with the machine. Here's your extra top jaws for the chuck. Owner's manuals. Okay, Frank, we're at 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay. So we're still at the good mark. Can I hand this off to you, bro? That was a long 4 minutes, you know that? We did, didn't we? Quick pace. That's 900 RPM right there. $800, you mean? Yeah. 800, sorry.
Use the other one.
Thanks, man. So 19 to 800 RPM with 16 changes. Ready for some feeds? Yep. Okay, full-length taper attachment. A beautiful imported superior quality wedge style tool post with 5 holders. A steady rest that may need a little bit of modification. We're including it, but it's off-centered a little bit. So it just comes free with the machine. It's a 10-inch, or what about a 6-inch hole on the steady rest, roller bearing style. 6-inch hole, yeah, roller bearing type. Okay, coming up on 6 minutes. Park the lighting, go back about 5 feet and then just park it. And then you bounce out of frame for a second. Thanks, man. 5 horsepower. This machine's currently wired at 440 volts. Okay, we've been working hard at Machinery Consultants here to get these videos done on these 2 lovely Monarchs. Whoa! These 2 machines reflect a lot of work. We've been really having a good time getting these ready. So this particular one happens to be our stock number 2022-111. This one is stock number 2022-110. It's an 18.5 by 80. This particular machine here will do us a 17 by 35. Okay, let's wrap. Again, let us know on the tooling. If there's anything we can help you with, hit us up. It'll be listed on the quote under optional items shown on page 2.